It was really good and really inspiring.
I feel like today has really helped me with my ambitions and my dreams.
For our children to have the opportunity to come out of school for the day and to meet children from other Sandwell schools is such a privilege and a wonderful experience.
We are today at West Bromwich Town Hall and we're here for our primary school conference, and we invite children and young people from all the schools in Sandwell.
Our experience started today with a healthy eating workshop. We then went to a creative workshop where the children got to think about branding and logos. We then did a budgeting exercise with NatWest, and then we've taken part in a boxercise class.
We cover our 5 themes of staying safe, being healthy, achieving and enjoying, making a positive contribution and economic well-being, and we bring in topics that are relevant to them.
Today the children are learning all about the basics of graphic design, using shapes and colours to explore their identities and their personalities.
I thought it was really fun and cool because we got to design our own logos with our own thoughts and feelings.
In the workshop today, we're talking about how to design a project, how to think creatively, how to budget, how to plan with money, and how to make sure that your project comes to life.
The biggest thing I learned is that safety comes first, fun comes second, but always remember to have fun.
We just try and make it engaging and as fun as possible. The one key thing that I want children to take away from today is all about resilience and respect within boxing and how we can transfer that into life.
We're focusing on healthy lunch boxes. Having a healthy, balanced meal doesn't have to be really complicated.
The most surprising thing that I've learnt from the session is that carrots used to be purple.
It's been lovely to see the children push themselves out of their comfort zone and then finally realising that actually it wasn't as scary or it wasn't as difficult as they thought it would be.
I've learnt new things and made new friends and met new people along the way.
A lot of the skills that the children are learning today will stay with them throughout their life, throughout primary school, secondary school and their future hopefully.